Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to have a YouTube live session on how can you actually generate 100 leads. Okay, so for Scrum Master Certification in India, okay, with Google Search Ads, right? So this is just a client project for your example. So before I dive in, I request all of you that to please subscribe to our channel so that you get future notification updates. Okay, so in today's session we will be discussing the strategies, and next session we will be discussing the implementation part. So this session will go in two sections. Okay, all right. So now our budget is 3,000 rupees here per day. So while you're creating a YouTube live session, right, first thing what you have to do is you have to do keyword research. Okay, so let me take you to an example here. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so one is keyword research. Okay, you can do keyword research with Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or similar web. Okay, so example project example is scaleupconsultants.com. Okay, so that's it. I click on start now. Okay, just select your manager account. Okay, now first use is keyword research, right? Keyword research, like, okay, so we need to find which are the golden keywords, right? Okay, so basically we need relevant keywords for people in India who are actually searching for Scrum Master certification. Okay, so this is an example here. So tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can actually help you to find the relevant keywords for PSM training in India. Okay, so let's open Google Keyword Planner. Okay, go to tools and settings, tools, click on planning keyword planner. Okay, yeah. Whenever you set up the Google search ads campaign, you need to know the business in details. What are the services business is offering? Okay, so let's study the business first. Scale up consultants. Okay, click on courses, click on Scrum, and click on this URL, professional Scrum Master. Okay, so for professional Scrum Master training, we are going to run the campaign here, correct? Okay, so you have to read this information. Okay, now I go back to Google Keyword Planner, click on discover new keywords. Okay, discover new keywords here, copy the keywords from the page. Okay, so here it is. I copy this over here, Control V, Professional Scrum Master Certification. Okay, Professional Scrum Master Certification Training. Okay, just you can take the keywords of the landing page here. Okay, so PSM1 certification. Okay, so I have the list of 4 keywords here. Scroll down, click on get results. So we have discussed regarding keyword research in my previous session as well. Okay, so now download the keywords here, download the keywords in the CSV file. Okay, and go back to download folder here, open the file here. Okay, so now you have the list of keywords. Okay, select those keywords with high search volume and low competition or medium competition. Okay, and then select those keywords which could be transactional or commercial intent with high bid estimate. Okay, I hope I'm clear on this. If you have any questions, you can any doubts, you can please ask me in the comments. Okay, yeah, so let's take low competition. Control F, low. Okay, yeah, first. Okay, so now first we'll take so consider with volume. Okay, this is medium competition. PSN certification. Okay, and this is PSM1 certification. Okay, this is professional Scrum Master Certification. Okay, you have this. Now we'll go as for the hybrid range. Okay, 351. Okay, this is this. See, this 439 is 31st Scrum Master online course. See, PSM2 training 20, but volume is 425.23. Right? So simply learn certified Scrum Master is 50, but bid is 1052.57. Alright? Okay, so now we have analyzed the keywords here. Alright? Okay? So now we'll go back to the PDF file. Okay? Then you have to do the comparator analysis. Okay? So how are you going to analyze the comparators? So let's do that. Okay? You can spy on a comparator ad using tools like SEMrush or SimilarWeb. Okay? See what keywords they're using, their ad copy style and landing page approach. So this will actually help you to create a winning strategy. So we'll open SimilarWeb. So to analyze the comparators, go back to Google. Open google.com. Enter the target keyword ESM certification training. Okay, so knowledge hut is one of our core comparator, right? Copy this URL notepad file. Okay, now these are additional search parameters, right? It's called YouTube parameters. Okay, so you can track the traffic is coming from which particular source, right? See, if I just enter this URL, I'll not be able to track the traffic. Okay, see, control V, it is the same URL here, correct? This is the same URL. Okay. Yeah. Now open SimilarWeb. Okay, so you can try using this extension with SimilarWeb. You can check your website traffic and analyze any particular website as well. Okay, let's open this. Okay, the site is down for now. We'll do it later on SimilarWeb. What we'll do is we'll go back to Google Ads library. Okay. Now open Google Ads library. Okay, so this is the link over here. Okay, so this is Google Ads library. Okay. Anytime shown in India, formats is all formats. Search by advertiser or website name, right? So let's see if you want to search by website name. See what it comes, right? Okay. Let's see if we search by website name. It's Knowledge Hut. PSM certification training. It will give you options. Okay, so we'll just enter the website name. Let's see what it comes here. See, knowledgehut.com. Enter this URL over here, and you can check the comparator ads from Google Ads library. Yeah, I'll definitely share a text file as well. Okay, so if you go back here, right? Okay, now in all format, just select text ads. Okay, see, you get to see the text ads of Knowledge Hut as well. Alright, yeah, clear. So you click on see all ads. See, you can see all the ads of your comparators over here. Correct? Let's see my website name. See, you type by keyword here. See what it comes. You get any information? Let's see. No, because it's telling you search by advertiser or website name. Correct? So this is how you can do this search. Alright? Okay? Now we will create ads for PSM certification training. Okay? Now we will use AI for this. Okay, so now I open Copilot. Okay, You need to write the prompt. Act as if you are an experienced Google Ads specialist with 20 years of work experience. I want you to write 15, say 15 headlines in 30 characters and 10 descriptions in 90 characters related to PSM certification training. Okay, now just open Copilot. Open Microsoft Copilot. Okay, enter the prompt here. This is the link. Now enter, copy the prompt here. Okay, copy the prompt. See, and here is the magic of Copilot. So this is the magic of AI. So you can use AI to your advantage when it comes to performance marketing here. Correct? I'm going to share the text file with all of you. Okay, so that you can use for your reference as well. So ideally, what I suggest is, like when you are setting up a campaign, right? So you have to do certain modifications in the content generated by AI, and then you have to go live. Okay. Now copy this. See, here you have the headlines as well. Correct? Right. Now today's campaign structure will be what? One second. One campaign, one ad group. Okay, and we will have single keywords as set here. Okay, so we'll say one keyword set. Okay, so what happens is, what are the keywords here? So let's target this particular keyword here, PSM certification. In the ad group, we will follow this match type when you are setting up and you're targeting the keywords. Okay, so this is called as broad match. Okay, this is called as phrase match. Okay, and this is called as exact match keywords here. Okay, alright, I hope I am pretty clear on this. We are doing the practicals completely, so we understand what all we are doing the implementation part here. Okay, now you want to understand the comparators keywords here. Now let's spy on a comparator keywords. Open Google Keyword Planner. Okay, okay, so click here. Okay, close this. Click on Start with Website. Copy the comparator URL. Okay, then click on Get Results. Okay, so you have the keyword list targeted by comparators here. Yeah. Okay. So let's save this file here as. Alright. Okay, so we understood this. Okay. I hope this is pretty easy to understand. Alright. So we discussed about keyword research, we discussed about comparative analysis. Now we'll talk about landing page. Okay. So your landing page is the battlefield front line. Okay, so you have to ensure it is mobile friendly, it loads fast, and it clearly communicates some value proposition of your Scrum Master Certification training. So what happened is, in this case, you have to highlight the course benefits, trainer expertise, and showcase social proof. Okay, so testimonial logos. So let's open the landing page here. Click here. Okay, so here we have highlighted the testimonials here. Okay, you have the form, you have the schedule here. So these are kind of social proofs. We have SEO optimized content here. Chat box is integrated. Okay, here you have CTAs, right? Okay, so these are social proofs here which has been integrated, correct? Here are FAQs as well. Alright, so this is about landing page here. Okay, now you have to set up the conversion tracking code. Okay, you have to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads to measure the success. Okay, so what happens is once you set up the conversion tracking code, you can track the valuable action like form submission, phone calls, or button clicks that will indicate the lead generation here, right? Okay, so this is conversion tracking code here. Okay, because shared library, audience manager. Okay, so from here you can do the setup as well. Okay, so when you're setting up a search campaign, okay, so basically what you can do is you can separate ad group for different keyword buckets. Okay, keyword buckets could be information or transaction. So this allows for targeted messaging. Okay, so you can do the testing here. Bidding strategy, you should first try to maximize clicks to get traffic. Okay, when you are starting a new campaign, start with maximize clicks. So we'll discuss this tomorrow on the actual implementation. Okay, as the data accumulates, then you can transition to target CPA. So I'll tell you how we have to implement. So we'll discuss the campaign phase launch tomorrow. Okay, with the actual implementation. Okay, how you have to do the bidding strategy as well, how this has to be implemented. Then we'll discuss about the ad copywriting using AI. You have to craft compelling headlines and descriptions that resonate with your target audience. You have to highlight the benefits of becoming a Scrum Master. This is, for example, strong CTAs like enroll now, download brochure. Okay, then you have to set up the ad extensions as well. Okay, so we'll be discussing in the part 2 session tomorrow. You have to expand your ad real estate with extension like site links extensions, okay, call extension, location extension. So, and the last part is optimization phase. You have to monitor the performance of a campaign, okay, landing page optimization. Then you have to do the remarketing and budget management. Okay, so from here, so what we can do is from the campaign phase launch, we will be doing the campaign phase launch tomorrow with the actual implementation part 2 session. Okay, so with this I end my today's session here.